Okay, so welcome to um, week 3 of fourth quarter. As we go on, make sure you guys are staying caught up on everything. And there's a couple of announcements or a couple of things coming up in the next few weeks you need to know about. Number one, if you miss for whatever day, make sure you are staying caught up. I will miss now and then for some track meets in the upcoming weeks, but we will maintain a relatively normal schedule, so please stay caught up. April 26th is when we will begin testing, so about 20 days from the start of this week, we will start testing. Please come to class with a charged iPad. You will need to have a charged iPad for that, and we will be doing some practice tests and other assignments relating to our podcast assignment coming up. As far as this week goes, so on the 5th, what we're going to start out with, we're going to look at IXL M3. Now, M3, some of you may have already completed this. I know you started working, or some of you started working on it the other day. It's going to ask you to go through and find common mistakes. There's no rule necessarily with these. It's usually a word that's been misspelled or misused, and you just go through these and find them. Now if you're stuck, you can hit submit and it will let you know. So this one is whose is used incorrectly. Instead of Ken Burns who is films, it's whose, it's his films. This one has 2 words. Your, because we're showing possession, should just be your, right? And you guys can go through and finish these. So if you have more questions on this, let me know. You need to get it just to 75% on this one. On Canvas, there's an assignment called Argument Reflection. We've talked about it, and some of you have started working on it. We're going to spend time Monday and Wednesday after we have a practice test on Wednesday and Thursday. You guys are going to have a lot more time to work on this. But you're going to reflect on your argument topic from last quarter. You're going to write 1 paragraph about what you learned from the opposing side and 1 paragraph on whether or not your opinion on the issue has changed, or if your opinion on the opposing side has changed. That's all you need, 2 paragraphs, and you're going to submit it on here. If you have any questions, please let me know. And this will be due Friday. Just a heads up. You also have a discussion board. We've talked about it before. It's on the curriculum assignment. We started working on this the week before spring break. And most of you have completed it or are close to completing it, so make sure you get that in along with your peer replies. If you have any other questions, let me know on that. We will be taking a reading test section on the ACT, and we'll go through that when we take it. If you want to make it up, you'll just have to come in and take it. It will take some time to complete, and we're going to grade it and go through some of the questions together. If you are absent, I would join in on the Zoom meeting for that day. As far as Macbeth goes, we're going to try and finish Act 2 by Friday. With everything else going on, this assignment may be pushed back, so keep your eyes on that. But these IXL sections will be due Friday, so make sure you are staying up to date on them. Other than that, for this week, we are going to start looking at creating academic vocabulary flashcards, and we're going to look at, we'll possibly look at, probably not, maybe B-Day on Friday, we'll look at our final assignment for this quarter, which will be a podcast. We'll go over the requirements and the rubric. That's all we will be doing. And you'll find those posted on Canvas here shortly. So if you have questions, feel free to shoot me an email. So thanks, guys.